Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best diesel injector cleaners that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So let's get started with the video. Starting off our list at number 5 is the House Diesel Defender 32-ounce injector cleaner and diesel fuel lubricator 2-pack. This product is marketed as a heavy-duty solution for diesel engines, offering up to 2.5 times more lubricity than competing products. It features the IDX4 detergent, which is designed to attack and destroy carbon deposits efficiently, while also helping to prevent new deposits from forming. If you're looking for something that promises a cleaner fuel system within 3 treatments, this might be worth considering. In terms of design, the two 32-ounce bottles are sturdy and easy to handle, making it convenient to measure and pour. The formula is petroleum-based, which ensures that it safely removes water without the use of alcohols or solvents that might harm your engine. However, performance reviews are somewhat mixed. While it does a decent job of cleaning injectors and improving fuel economy by up to 5%, some users have noted that it takes a few treatments to notice significant changes, which might not suit those looking for immediate results. Pros include the high lubricity, its water-removing capabilities, and the fact that it is effective for long-term maintenance. On the downside, it's not as highly rated as some other options on this list. And its lower customer review count, 4.4 stars from 53 reviews, suggests that it hasn't been tested as extensively in real-world applications. Overall, this is a solid product for heavy-duty vehicles, but may not be the best choice for those seeking a quick fix. At number 3, we have the Lucas Upper Cylinder Lubricant and Fuel Injector Cleaner. This product has built a strong reputation over the years, and for good reason. It's designed to clean and lubricate the entire fuel system while neutralizing issues associated with low-sulfur diesel fuel. It also promises to increase both power and miles per gallon by burning off excess exhaust emissions, a win-win for your engine and the environment. The design of the 5.25-ounce bottles in a 12-pack is compact and easy to use. This makes it a great option for those who want a straightforward, no-frills solution. Its performance is highly rated, with a 4.8-star customer review score based on 767 ratings. Users have consistently reported smoother engine operation and improved fuel economy after regular use. However, it's worth noting that the smaller bottle size means you'll need to use more product for larger fuel tanks, which might not be as cost-effective as other options. The pros include its high user satisfaction, ease of use, and versatility across different diesel engines. On the flip side, its smaller bottle size might be inconvenient for heavy-duty users. Overall, this is a reliable mid-tier option that's perfect for everyday drivers who want to maintain engine health without breaking the bank. Sliding in at number 2 is the Hot Shot Secret Diesel Extreme Clean and Boost. This product is all about giving your diesel engine a deep clean. It's designed to clean out the tank, lines, and injectors while also removing free water from the system. With its ability to stabilize fuel and boost cetane levels, it's an excellent option for improving engine performance and longevity. The 64-ounce bottle is well-built and includes clear instructions for use, making it accessible even for beginners. What sets this product apart is its multifaceted approach. It not only cleans, but also lubricates the fuel pump and injectors, ensuring optimal operation. Users have reported smoother idling and reduced engine noise after just one treatment. However, its larger size may not be as convenient for those who need portability. The pros include its comprehensive cleaning capabilities, fuel stabilization, and ease of use. On the downside, its price point may be a bit steep for casual users, and its 4.7-star rating from 5,315 reviews indicates a small percentage of users didn't see the expected results. Still, this is an excellent option for anyone looking to revitalize their diesel engine. Finally, taking the crown at number 1 is the Hot Shot Secret Everyday Diesel Treatment EDT. This 6-in-1 diesel additive is the ultimate all-rounder, offering injector cleaning, fuel system cleaning, cetane boosting, rust prevention, and even fuel stabilization. It's perfect for those who want to maintain their engine's health on a daily basis. With its ability to boost cetane levels by up to 7 points, it also improves fuel economy and reduces maintenance costs. The 32-ounce bottle is compact, user-friendly, and designed for regular use. Just 1 to 2 ounces per 25 gallons of diesel is all you need. Users rave about its immediate impact on engine performance, with noticeable improvements in acceleration and fuel efficiency. It's no wonder this product has a stellar 4.7-star rating from over 8,000 reviews. Pros include its versatility, ease of use, and outstanding performance. The only con? It's slightly more expensive per ounce compared to some competitors, but the benefits far outweigh the cost. This product is ideal for anyone who wants to keep their diesel engine in peak condition, whether you're a daily driver or a fleet manager. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.